Good morning, everyone. My name is Li Junming. Today, I'm going to present my simulation module. It's called Machine Learning Fundamental, and the goal is um, have a website to demonstrate um, how AI works and how can how they can use AI in the real world situation. You see, most of the students are just knowing machine learning, but how actually machine learning things, they will think they create a hard to know. So I make a website for the student to know how machine learning work, and this website will focusing on two main things, regression and classification. So let's so I in this website I have four different algorithm for machine learning. First is a linear regression, um, and a nonlinear regression, a decision tree, and SVM. So let's look at the website first. You can see here is a website, and you can see we will have different algorithm, and let's let's look about the linear regression. You can see it say how the linear regression and how it work, and here is a simulation. Let's see very straight up. You can see how the linear regression work. You can see that, and you uh, pick start, and you can see the line will automatically train and fit to the best on it. And you can see you can add the degree on the data set, and here is a curve, and the simple linear regression cannot handle the the curve. And also we can add the noises on the data set. You can see, yeah, if the noise is high, the data set will be more random. So you can see on this simulation, um, uh, simple linear regression can be easy to handle some very straight line data set. and and then the website will introduce the nonlinear regression. It also have a test explain how it works and what is this, and below have a other simulation on the nonlinear regression. um, you can also have a setting the degree and noise of the data set, and here is also a new thing on the nonlinear regression called model degree, and press start. You can see if no degree is just simple linear regression, and adding some degree, you see the line can fit on the data set, but when the higher, you can see some overfitting on the data, on the curve, on the line. You can see so fitting. You can see what, I don't know why this high, and here, that's why the code, and this is the simulation of the regression. And here is the classification. And start, we will talk about the decision tree. Also some text to show what is this and how it works. And also it's a simulation, or the data set have, and this simulation have different data like SOR, circle, spreading, and this string. And you can see also have a noise on how random the data set is. Yeah, you can see that. And the G deep and how large the pixel. Um, oh, you can see on the circle is quite bad, and on the you can see on this one can be very easy to have classify the data set. And next we will talk about more better classification algorithm for SVM, and also have tests and how it works. And you can see also have the same data set analysis, and you can see how the kernel and gamma cause pixel size on the SVM. Media is better on this. This one, this one. And you can see it's then both simulation is show the student how the LLM how to classify or predict something, and how and different algorithm have a different upside and downside on it. They can see that. And the last, we will have a website called Technical Machine, and it is a website. You can upload some image. You don't have some. You can upload some image and classify the image. Like here paste some dot, here paste some cat, and train the model. And here will can predict, give an image to the model, it can predict some is cat or dog. So this part can be a student to try to have some work to train a model very easily. I think this can be let the students know how the machine learning work, and on the how the machine learning work, and more easy to get start on the machine learning. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.